Good day, students. In this video I will show you on solution for some selected questions for chapter 2 quadratic equations, subtopic 2.3 sum and products of roots of quadratic equations. Okay, the first question, the quadratic equation 3x square equals to 4 minus 11x has roots p and q where p is more than q. Find the values of p and q. Okay, so we know the roots are p and q and p is more than q, so we have to find the values. What I'll do, I'll rearrange the quadratic equation. So first I will write down the quadratic equation 3x square equals to 4 minus 11x, and then I will rearrange the quadratic equation. So 3x square plus 11x minus 4 equals to 0. Okay, now I will try to factor the quadratic equation. Okay, so I need to break the 3x square. I'll break it into 3x and x, and I need to break the 4, break it to 4 and 1. Okay, and then I will add in the signs. So it's a plus 4 and minus 1. So let us check whether this is a correct factorization. Okay, yes it is. So I can proceed to find the roots. So the first terms in the bracket, make it 0. 3x minus 1 equals to 0. So 3x equals to 1 and x equals to 1 over 3. For the second terms in the bracket, x plus 4, make it 0. So x equals to negative 4. So we have the roots as 1 over 3 and negative 4. But that is not what the question wants. The question says the roots are p and q. P is more than q, and we need to find the value of p and q. That means we need to identify which one of these roots are p and which one is q. So I will write down the kind of inequalities given in the question. P is more than q. Okay, so followed by the roots that we got from the question. So 1 over 3 is more than negative 4. So if you compare between both roots, 1 over 3 is more than negative 4. So if you compare the p more than q and 1 over 3 is more than negative 4, you can identify which is p and which is q. Therefore, p is 1 over 3 and q is negative 4. So that will be the answer for A. Moving on to B. We have new roots which was given in the question B, 3p and q plus 6. So I will replace the value of p equals to 1 over 3 and q equals to negative 4 into the new roots. So I'll get 3 times 1 over 3 and negative 4 plus 6, and that will produce 1 and 2. So the new roots for the new equation will be 1 and 2. So remember the formula for sum of roots and product of roots is x squared minus sum of roots x plus product of roots equals to 0. Now x squared, so sum of roots I'll just need to add 1 and 2. Product of roots I need to multiply 1 and 2. That will produce x squared minus 3x plus 2 equals to 0. And this is our new quadratic equation. Okay, moving on to the next question. Okay, given alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation 2x squared minus 3x minus 7 equals to 0. Find the values of alpha and find the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta. So we have the roots alpha and beta, but in this question they are not asking what is the value of alpha and beta separately, but they are asking what is the value of alpha plus beta, which is sum of the roots, and alpha beta, which is product of roots. So it is enough for us to find the sum of roots and product of roots. Okay, so I will write down the equation, the quadratic equation, 2x squared minus 3x minus 7 equals to 0. And then I will multiply with 1 over 2 to get it in the format of sum of roots and product of roots. So when I multiply with 1 over 2, I'll get x squared minus 3 over 2x minus 7 over 2 equals to 0. So I'll compare this with the equation for the sum of roots and product of roots. So this is the equation for sum of roots and product of roots. So you can compare and you can decide what is your sum of roots and what is your product of roots. So therefore, when I compare, I get sum of roots is 3 over 2. Okay, so sum of roots is 3 over 2. Sum of roots is here. And then we have a negative in the front. So it's this one, 3 over 2 without the x. Okay, now product of roots. Okay, before that, sum of roots is what is our roots? Alpha plus beta. So alpha plus beta is equals to 3 over 2. That's the first answer. And we can also do the same for product of roots, which is negative 7 over 2. And product of roots is alpha beta. So alpha beta equals to negative 7 over 2. Okay, so we had answered question A. I'll move on to question B. So we have new roots 2 alpha plus 3 and 2 beta plus 3. Okay, so I'll write that down, 2 alpha plus 3 and 2 beta plus 3. So those are my new roots. I can find the sum of roots, I can say sum of new roots. Okay, sum of new roots, which is 2. Okay, I can copy and paste 2 alpha plus beta plus 2 beta plus 3. Okay, so this will produce 2 alpha plus 2 beta plus 3 plus 3. Okay, I can factor the 2 out from alpha and beta, so I'll have 2 alpha plus beta plus 3 is 6. So 2 alpha plus beta, we know the sum of roots alpha plus beta is 3 over 2. Here it's 3 over 2. So we can just replace that into this sum of roots, the sum of new roots, 2 times 3 over 2 plus 6 equals to 2 times 3 over 2 is 3 plus 6 equals to 9. Okay, so the sum of new roots is 9. I can do the same for product of new roots. So product of new roots is 2 alpha plus 3 multiply with 2 beta plus 3, then you get 4 alpha beta plus 6 alpha plus 6 beta plus 9. Okay, I can factor the 6 out from the alpha and beta, so I have equals to, okay, same as 4 alpha beta is same, equals to 4 alpha beta plus 6. I factor out 6, so I get 6 alpha plus beta plus 9. Okay, so this equals to 4 alpha beta. 4, replace the value of alpha beta. We know alpha beta is -7/2, so 4 times -7/2 plus 6 times alpha plus beta is 3/2 plus 9. So we get equals to 4 times -7/2 is -14 plus 6 times 3/2 is 9 plus 9 is equals to 4. Okay, so sum of new roots is 9 and product of new roots is 4. I can construct my new quadratic equation from this. So the formula for new quadratic equation, I'll just copy from here. Okay, so x square minus sum of roots are 9x plus product of roots is 4 equals to 0. I'm sorry, 0. Yeah, so x square minus 9x plus 4 equals to 0. This is my new quadratic equation as asked in the question B. Find the quadratic equation with the roots, so on. So this is the new quadratic equation. That's all. See you again in the next video. Bye.